Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Good evening, children. A big good evening to all of you. Yes, big good evening. Okay, who has joined? Hi, Arav Akshat. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you both doing? You're doing fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Then who has joined? Okay, quickly we'll do the warm-up exercise, children. Okay, we'll revise for the next 10-15 minutes, and then we'll do the demo of the Google form assessment. Okay. Okay. All of you, please get on to your position. I'm going to play the song. Okay, before I play the song, let me just recall the steps. First step, okay? Before we'll do it without music and then with music, okay? Satvik, come, we'll dance, Satvik. Don't be sad, okay? After the class is over, we can play. Yes, Rayan. Good evening, Rayan. Welcome. Okay, so first step is your hands freely or on your hip, okay? Shake it. First, nod your head, okay? And then turn to your right. Nicely. Okay, if you want, you can bend your hip, or else just bend your head and shake it. And then nod it. Then to your left, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay? Then next step. Good evening, Kavin.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening, Jayakrish.
Ma'am, coming.
Come back, come back.
Ma'am.
Tell me, Jayakrish.
Good evening. How are you, ma'am?
I cannot get you. What do you want, Ritwik?
I am there coming, ma'am.
Come back,
I
ma'am.
saw you going and coming back. No problem. Come join. Please stay on mute. Yes. So next step is walk front and then walk back and then turn to your right and then walk and come back. And then hands up. Hands up. Do like this and show me. Yes. Then walk front. Adi is doing perfect. Very good. Varnika, good. Roshan, good. Walk back. Turn to your left. And then do like this. Kaushik, stand up, Kaushik. Don't be so lazy. Stand up. Then what we should do? First, right hand alone, wave it like this nicely. And then left hand. Then like this. Right side. Then left side. Then both the hands. Both the hands, wave it like this. Yuvansa, I am waving the hands, Yuvansa. Yes, very good, Arjun. Okay, good, Ritwik. So we are going to do. Good evening, Shiva. Welcome to the class. I'm going to play the song. You're going to dance with me, okay? Yes, good evening. Everybody, children, please stay on mute, okay? Even if your internet goes off and you come back, no problem. I'm just seeing you in the list, okay? So you don't have to tell me. That's okay. It happens. We are going to do the warm-up activity. I like to move it. I like to
just like it's monthly, cause that's what life is for. And we don't party hardly, we just party hard. And not because we born, we party cause we born apart. That's why, yes, that's why, yes, that's why I keep on doing what I'm doing, y'all. I like to move and move it, I like to move and move it, I like to move and move it, we like to move it. I like to move and move it, she like to move and move it, we like to move and move it, we like to move it. I like to party, party, we like to party, party, we like.
Okay. Come back to your place, children. We'll quickly mark the attendance. Adya,
Here I am, ma'am.
Arav, Akshat.
Here I am, ma'am.
No screaming. Arjun,
Here I am, ma'am.
Dayanand, Gautam S,
Here I am.
Gautam Rishi,
Here I am, ma'am.
Ritwik,
Here I am, ma'am.
Jayakrish, Jayakrish, Kaushik,
Here I am, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Here
got disconnected.
I am, ma'am.
Kumara Guruparan,
Done.
Lakshita Ji, Lisha, okay, Lakshraj,
Here I am.
Isha, okay, Lakshita S, Lakshita S, Satvik,
Here I am, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
only one time, okay, Nikita Shri,
Here I am, ma'am.
Nivin Surya,
Here I am, ma'am.
Roshan,
Here I am, ma'am.
Hassan, Rayan,
Good evening, ma'am. Here I am.
Sakran,
Here I am, ma'am.
Izan, Shiva,
Here I am.
Raman,
Here I am, ma'am.
Arnika,
Here I am, ma'am.
and Yuvansa.
చెప్పు
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Lakshita, you joined. Hi, Lakshita. Good evening, Lakshita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jayakrish, I marked you. No problem.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Wait, ma. Who is that? Okay, so Mahaswin, are you ready for the talk time today? Pet animals? Yes, okay. Children, please give a big enough clap for our friend Mahaswin. Okay, he's going to talk about pet animals, right? Mahaswin, pet animals, right? Yes. Okay. You can talk now. Mahaswin, please unmute Mahaswin. We are not able to hear you.
మ్యామ్ చూస్తున్నారు చూడు
Don't unmute Lakshita, please. Mahaswin's mom, can you just log in with one device? We are hearing echo. We are not able to hear the voice.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Give me one.
Okay. And Roshan, it's your turn on Friday. Are you preparing, Roshan? Will you be able to do it on Friday, Roshan? Domestic animals?
Yes.
Okay. If not, let me know, okay? You're preparing, no? So you will be able to do, right?
Is
Sit properly.
Fish, like all animals.
Next.
Water snake, hamster, mice, all unipet animals. Many people milky pet animal as their pets. Only few people will keep unipet animal as their pets. Thank you.
Very good, Mahaswin. You recalled unique pets and pet animals for us. Very good. I hope everybody got it recalled, right? Yes, pet animals. Very good. Super. Give a big round of clap for Mahaswin. Good, Mahaswin. Thank you so much. Good. Did you all clap for your friend, children? Did you all clap for your friend? Yes, we have to encourage our friend. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Roshan. Okay, so quickly what we're going to do is we're going to revise two things, okay? First, we're going to revise shapes, okay? And then I wanted to revise greater than less than ones, okay? And that. We'll revise it quickly in the next 15 minutes and then we'll start the form, okay? I'll give you instructions before we start the form, not now, okay? So any questions, I'll take it up later. So first what we'll do, we'll sing the rhyme and then we'll start, okay? So with concept time, we'll have rhyme. The portions we have 4 rhymes, right? Be thorough with any 2 rhymes. Whichever rhymes you know very well, I want you to prepare any 2 rhymes out of it. Okay, that would do. Okay, if you know hexagon and fly, fly, butterfly, get thorough with those 2. If you know incy, wincy, spider, fly, fly, butterfly, those 2. Any 2 rhymes I want you to get thorough. Okay, you have to do it with action. Okay, whatever rhyme you sing and show me during assessment or even normal days, I want to do with action. Okay, so now we'll start the 4 rhymes we're going to sing now quickly. Shiva, come on, spread your hands nicely. We're going to sing fly, fly, butterfly. Rayan, Izan, Varnika, Shravan, Mahaswin, Satvik, Nivin Surya, Likshat, spread your hands. I'm just calling out the name, those I see in the screen right now. Okay. Don't others mistake, I didn't call your name. Okay, those I'm seeing on the screen right now with this page, I called out the name. Others also have to spread out their hands. Spread out your hands. I'm going to sing, you're going to sing with me. Nobody is going to unmute, okay? Come on. Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden fly away, over all pretty flowers. Fly, fly, butterfly. Lekshita, spread your hands and sing with me. Fly. One more time, children. Okay. Fly, fly, butterfly. In the garden, fly away. Over all pretty flowers. Fly, fly, butterfly. Okay. Next, incident spider. Izan. Turn this side, or else you have to either stand properly or sit properly. I don't want you to rotate and round on the floor, okay? Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. One more time. Good evening, Kumara Guruparan. Welcome to the class. Please stay on mute. Yes. Good evening. Can you stay on mute? Yes, thank you. Incy Spider, come on, sing with me. Sit down, sit down. Sit properly, Kumara Guruparan. Sit properly and then sing with me. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. Even Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Next. God's love, okay? God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high. You can't get over it. It's so deep. You can't get under it. It's so wide. You can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. One more time. Everybody sit straight. I want to sing properly with me. Nikita, what are you doing there, Nikita? God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. Sing, Yuvansai. Open your mouth and sing. It's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high. You can't get over it. It's so deep. You can't get under it. It's so wide. You can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Last rhyme. Master, show your hands. Show your fingers like the 6 sides of hexagon. 6 sides of a hexagon. Like this. Lakshya is feeling sleepy? Not feeling.
Ma'am is crying. He don't want to attend class today.
You don't want to attend class today, Lakshya?
No.
Why me?
I don't know. He's not in a mood. He's
What
crying
happened?
right now.
I'm going to show you many shapes today. You want to go drink water, relax yourself, come back. Okay, don't cry.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
6 sides of a hexagon, like the cells of a honeycomb. Count its sides as your fingers go. Click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. One more time. Lakshya, you going to sing with me? Hexagon rhyme. Will you sing with me?
Yeah.
Please help me, no? Come sing with me.
6 sides of a hexagon, like a cells of the honeycomb. Count its fingers go. Click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Very good, Lakshya. You helped me. Very good, children. Give a big round of applause for Lakshya. Very good. Thank you, Lakshya. Very good. Very good. I'm going to show you many shapes and everybody is going to help me find the shape. Okay? Very good boy. Yes, drink some water. Okay, so quickly we'll start with the shapes. Okay, what we're going to do is, I'm going to show a thing. I'm going to show anything, okay? And you're going to tell me the shape. Okay, what shape it is. Or else, I'm going to show you this card. Okay, it's written here S-P-H-E-R-E, spear. Okay, if I show this card, you have to tell me either globe or ball. You should say globe or ball. You can say anything, spear. Okay, what a ball. If I show this, you should say me spear. Okay, Then if I show this, you have to say me, it's a block, right? Cuboid, cuboid. If I show this, you should say me either block or brick. Okay. Next, if I show this is cube, C-U-B-E, cube. If I show you cube, you should tell me dice. If I show you dice, you should tell me it's the shape of a cube. Okay, I'll repeat it slowly. Okay, one more time I'm going to say, I'm showing this. Okay, even if you don't know the spelling, look for the starting letter. Ha, 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 hexagon shape. So you're going to tell me hexagon. Okay, I will show this. Okay, if I show this, you should tell me hexagon. Okay, I will show anything. Okay, if I show the thing, you should tell me what shape is this. If I show the word, you should tell me what shape is this. Okay, this one, hexagon. Ha, ha, hexagon. C-U-B-E, cube. Cube and cuboid will look very similar. Both starts with C. Then both, next letter is also U. Next letter also B. Remember, cube, short word, small word. C-U-B-E, short word is cube. Cuboid, oid. So you will have O in it. This is cuboid, big letter. Remember like that, okay? I'm showing it reverse. This is cuboid. Cuboid is big. So this is cuboid. This is cube. Okay, we have not started writing CVC words, so you will not know the full spelling. So remember, cube spelling is small, cuboid spelling is big. Always both starting with C, so don't get confused. I'm repeating, children, please listen. Nikita, I don't want you to play any toys there, Nikita. Please keep those all aside. We are in the classroom. No toys anymore. Only when play time we'll take toys. Okay? So when it's a small, it's cube. Cuboid. You will have O in it. And it's a big spelling, cuboid. Sphere, you know, starts with S. Sphere. Hexagon, very easy. Ha, ha, hexagon, you will have H. Okay, I'm going to repeat one more time. Sphere starts with S. Sphere. Cuboid. Hexagon. Cube. Okay, quickly, I want everybody to be attentive. I'll call out the name. You have to unmute and give me the answer. We'll quickly finish it off. Okay, I'm going to start here. Arav.
Cube.
Very good. Akshat.
Hexagon.
Good. Lakshita ji. Hi, good evening, Lakshita. What shape is this? Starts with Q. C. Lakshita, can you switch on your video if possible, please? Okay. I'm moving on to Sai Charan. Okay, Lakshita, I was not able to hear you. Next, Sai Charan.
Cuboid.
Very good. It's a bigger spelling. It has O in it. Cuboid. Very good, Sai Charan. Dayanand. Very good. Very good, Dayanand. Adya.
Lecturer.
Very good, Adya.
Face to
Sphere.
ma'am ki.
Lakshita, I didn't call your name. I call your name. Please unmute that time. Okay, I was calling Lakshita ji. Okay, please unmute. Kaushik. Very good. Izan?
Sphere.
Very good, Izan.
Sphere.
Ritvik?
Cube.
Perfect. Varnika?
Cube.
No.
Cube.
Cube. See, cube will have small spelling. C-U-B, cube. Okay? Cuboid, big spelling. Okay? Cube.
Okay.
Shiva?
Cube dice.
Yes, cube. Very good, Shiva. Next. Name is different. Jai Krish.
Sphere.
Perfect, Jai Krish. Spear. Lakshraj.
C-U-B-O-I-D.
Starts with C. It has O in it. A big spelling. What it is?
Cuboid.
Perfect. Yes, cuboid. Emil Surya.
Cube. Cube.
Correct, Nivin Surya. Yuvansai. H. Starts with H.
Hexagon.
Perfect, Yuvansai. Hexagon. Nikita. Nikita Shri.
Cube.
Good. Very good. Kumara Guruparan. Starts with S.
Sphere.
Very good.
Sphere.
Yes, I got it. Very good. Roshan.
Cube.
Very good, Roshan. Lekshita S.
Cubes.
Cube. It has O in it. And a big spelling. What it is?
It is C-U.
Uh,
C-U-B-O-J-D.
O-I-D. Cuboid.
Cuboid.
Yes. Ryan.
Cube dice.
Cube dice.
Cube is
Perfect.
a dice, ma'am.
Yes.
Cube is a dice, ma'am.
Yes, Ryan, I got it. Satvik.
Sphere.
Very good, Satvik. Lekshita, please stay on mute, Lekshita. Shravan.
Hexagon.
Perfect, Shravan. Gautam Rishi.
Yes, ma'am. Cuboid.
Perfect, cuboid. Kavin.
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Who is helping you? Hexagon, yes.
Ritvik, ma'am.
Gautam.
Cube.
Good, very good. Mahasan.
చెప్పండి
Kaha.
Kake.
హెచ్ అది హెచ్
Kaha.
Cuboid.
No.
Cuboid.
No. Kaha. Starts with H. What shape? 6 sides of.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Arjun.
Cuboid.
Very good, Arjun. Okay, Lakshita ji. Can you switch on your video? Yeah, what is it?
Only, ma'am. We are not able to see it. Video is on, but
Okay, let the video be off. Can you hear my voice? We are not able to see you. That's a okay. I think they've gone. Okay, so everybody got a chance. Did anybody go back and come in the middle? Anybody like that? No. Okay. So we got the shapes. Okay. So now what we'll do? We're going to do the Google form. Okay. So before we start the Google form, Uma ma'am will send in the chat. Okay. You have the right side, right? Chat. The chat ma'am will send you the Google form link. Okay. We are going to click the Google form. It's going to just 10 questions. Okay. You are going to write your name with the help of your parents. Type your name in the keyboard. Okay. And then I'll read out one question by one question. Nobody is going to unmute. Okay. If you have any doubts alone, you're going to unmute. Otherwise, no talking, no unmuting. Because others will not hear my question. If you have finished the question, very good. Stay on mute. Don't say, ma'am, I finished. You have to wait for your friends to complete it. Okay. Some will finish it early and some will finish it late. So we are going to go slowly, one by one question. Okay. If you have finished, very good. Please stay calm and wait. Okay. Until I read the next question. Okay. After you finish the test, okay, we want you to take the screenshot of the marks alone. Okay. After you click the submit button, you will have a view score button. Okay. Your parents will know it. If you click on view score, it will display the mark alone. That alone we want a screenshot. We don't want the answer paper. What question is right, what question is wrong, that we don't want. We just want the score. Okay, with your name. So you are going to WhatsApp to the school number. Okay, you're going to write the name and your mark and the screenshot. You're going to send it to the school number. Okay, just in case if you have any doubt, you're free to ask me. Otherwise, don't say me, ma'am, I finished, ma'am, I finished. Okay, if you didn't finish, we'll wait and go slowly. Okay, children, are you all ready to write the test today? Demo test? Yes. Thank you, Lakshra, for showing immediately. Very good, Arjun. Good, Roshan. Good, Ryan. Good, Ivansai. Good, Nivin Surya. Good, Shravan. Good, Gautam. Good, Mahaswin. Okay, good, Adya. Everybody. Good, Lekshita. Super. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Yes, who?
Aravakshit, ma'am.
Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you attend the test in the same laptop, ma'am? Both of them at the same time? Is it possible or have to arrange it for
Actually,
somebody?
it will rightly, ma'am. So, if you have two gadgets,
Okay.
you can log in with
Wait.
it's echoing. You can log in with their ID, and one has to write it with their name, and the other one has to write with Akshat's name. So simultaneously, but two gets at a time, single gets, I don't think it's possible. I don't know. I haven't tried. Maybe you can try today and check, ma'am. It's demo, right? You can try and check. Okay. Uma ma'am, are you there, Uma ma'am?
Yeah, I'm posting the link, ma'am. Arav's mother, first you do for Arav. Then with the
Okay,
same
ma'am.
link, you do it for Akshat.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, see, ma'am has sent the link in the chat. I am also going to open it. We all will open together and we'll take up the test, okay? Okay, please click on the link which ma'am has sent you. In the chat box, you will have it as https://docs.google.com. Please click on the link. Please get help from your parents, okay? Those who are sitting alone, Saichanan, please get help from your brother or your mom, okay? Call somebody. Let me check. Okay, once if you have clicked the link, you will have an option to write your name. So please write the name. Please type your name. Slowly type your name. You tell your names, spelling of your name, your mom or your dad, whoever is nearby, you can type. If you know well and good, you can type. Okay.
Ma'am, the link you have sent now or you will send tomorrow?
It's in the chat, sir. It's a demo. It's in the chat. You just click on the chat but link on the top. In the Google form, you have people, chat, right? Two things. Click on the chat. Ma'am has sent you the link. Are you able to see Ritvik's father?
No. I'm checking.
In the Google chat, we are in Google Classroom now, right? I mean, Gmeet. On the top, you will have right hand side, you will have people chat. Click on the chat.
Okay. Here, fine.
Got it? Okay.
Yeah. I think WhatsApp.
Anybody found it difficult to click on the chat? Just let us know. If you have clicked on chat, show me thumbs up. And if you have typed the name, I have opened it. I'm here to type my name. Hope you okay. Roshna's typed it. Lakshraj, okay. Go. Vivansai, okay. Shiva, typed your name? Yes or no? Yes, Varnika. Good. Good, Gautam. Okay. I'll type my name. Okay, so the first question. Shall I start with the first question? If you're all ready, let me know. Only if you show thumbs up, I'll get to know that you're ready or not. Just show me thumbs up, so I'll read the first question. Children, sit. Please sit and relax. Don't come closer to the computer. I'm not able to see your finger or hands. Yes, show me thumbs up if you're ready. Okay, I'm going to read the first question. Okay. Find the cursive capital alphabet of A. There are, see, ma'am has given 3 questions, right? Find out which is A. Which is A? Cursive A. Show it to your parents and then click on the circle. Click inside the circle. Click inside the circle. Show which is A. Show which is A there. Touch and show. If you know to click, you can click. Otherwise, show it to your parents which is A. Find the cursive capital alphabet. How do we write A? A. Ritvik, you typed your name, logged in? Yes? Ritvik?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Shall I move on to the second question? Good, Varnika. Did you all find out A? Okay, Isa. Okay, we'll move on to the second question. Good, Lakshraj. Okay. Second question. Dash is a ball. Okay. You will call it as he is a ball, she is a ball, it is a ball, they is a ball. What you will say? He is a ball or she is a ball, it is a ball or they is a ball. Whichever is the right answer, show it. You have 4 circles there. Show which is the correct circle. You will have 4 circles there. He, she, it, they. Show which is the correct circle and then click inside that circle. Good, Gritvik. He is a ball or she is a ball, it is a ball, they is a ball. Which is the right answer? Show it there. Show it to your parents or click inside it. Find out. Good, Varnika. Everybody finished with the 2 questions. First 2 questions, everybody done? Is anybody still finding it difficult to log in or not started? Let me know. You can unmute and tell me we have not started. Everybody has started. Okay, good. Shall I move on to the third question? Yes. Okay. Third question. You see a picture there, right? A yellow color and a red color one. I will not say what is that. Find the starting letter of the given picture. You have to find what is the picture and tell the starting letter of it. Okay, you have to type it in capital letter. Okay, please make sure you are typing it in capital letter. Uma ma'am, it's you have typed it in capital letter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yeah, always ensure you are typing the answer in capital letter. It is case sensitive. So if you type it in small, it tell you is wrong answer. So type it in capital letter. What is that picture? Find out the picture and tell what is the starting letter of that picture. That is zip. I'll tell you the picture. It is zip. Okay. So what is starting letter for zip? You have to type in the fill in the box. You have a line there, right? In that line, type what is the starting letter for zip. Lakshita, do you have any question, Lakshita?
No, ma'am.
Then can you please stay on mute?
Mute and unmute చేస్తాను. ఇక్కడ unmute.
Okay, third question. It is a zip picture. Find out the starting letter and then write it in that box. Type it in that line. Okay. Finished, everyone? 3 questions finished. Easy so far or difficult? If it's difficult, show me like this. If it's difficult, show me like this. I see Gautam, Varnika, Grithvik are showing me thumbs up. Is anybody showing me thumbs down? Let me see. Lakshya is showing me thumbs up. Okay. Roshan is showing me thumbs down. Roshan likes thumbs down, I believe. Okay. Next, we are moving to the 4th question. Okay. Find the number name of 5. 5. You are going to tell me what is this number name spelling for 5. You have 1, right? 1. O-N-E 1. For 2. T-W-O 2. Like that. For 5, you are going to tell me what is the number name. You have answers there. Okay. First one. F-O-U-R. Next one. F-I-V-E. Next. S-I-X. Next. N-I-N-E. Out of this 4, you're going to tell me which is the spelling for 5. You're going to show it to your parents or you're going to click inside the circle. What is the spelling for 5? Number name for 5. 5. For 5. 5. Good, Adya. So finished good. Five. Finished? Okay. I'm moving to 5th question. 5th question, we are going to say whether it is greater than, whether it is equal to, or it is less than. Okay. We have given numbers 20, 25. Okay. You're going to say which is greater number and the crocodile should open the mouth towards a greater number. You're going to say which is 25 or 20, which is greater. If 20 is greater, the crocodile should open the mouth towards 20. If 25 is greater, the crocodile should open the mouth towards 25. In the keyboard, you will have the crocodile mouth. Okay. Get help from your parents. Type, tell them which is greater, 20 or 25. The crocodile will open the mouth towards 20 or towards 25.
Ma'am, we have to write the number or that symbol.
Symbol.
Okay.
So under your answer, you're going to type the symbol, whichever symbol you're thinking is right. Okay. Shall we move to the next question? 20, 25 done? Everybody? Yes. Okay. Next question. 9. You're going to say which is greater, which is less than, or it is equal to. Okay. Type the answer here under your answer. Let me present my screen so that easy for you. So under here you're going to tell me whether 9 and 9 are equal or 9 and 9 which is greater. You're going to type it here under your answer. 6th question, you're going to type it, okay? Finished? 6th question finished? Good, Shravan. Good, Yuvansai. Okay. So now I'm moving on to 7th question. 7th question. Do you see a picture here? The house is on top of the water. So you're going to say me first answer. Caravan, igloo, stilt house, boat house. Whichever is the right answer, you're going to click inside it. The first one is caravan. Second one is igloo. Whenever I read it, keep your finger on that, children, so that you can follow. Okay, keep your finger on the option. The first one, caravan. Second one, igloo. Third one, stilt house. Fourth one, boat house. So click on the right answer. Okay, I have not clicked on the right answer. Don't look onto my screen. Okay. Whichever is right answer. See, if this is the right answer, you have to click it inside the circle like this. What type of house it is? The house is built on top because there is water down. You cannot build the house there. So it is built on top. Caravan, igloo, stilt house or boat house? Find out the answer and tell. Arav Akshad, no. Who is writing the text? Arav or Akshad? Other has to keep your finger on your lips and sit down. If Arav is writing, I want Akshad to sit properly. Or if Akshad is writing, Arav should sit properly. No, no fighting there. Okay, 7th question is done. Finished. Found out what is the type of house? Okay, so I'm moving on to the next question. Thank you, Kumara Gurubaran. 8th question. Okay, see the uncle is helping us to build the house. Okay, so tell me if this uncle is a carpenter. First one, carpenter. Next one, painter. Last one, mason. Okay, mason, painter, carpenter. Find out what this uncle is. What is the name of this uncle? Carpenter, painter, mason. Whichever is the right answer, click on that inside that answer. Like this, click inside. You will get a purple dot. After you click inside the dot, click outside. Okay, if you don't click outside, the option might get changed for everybody. Please ensure whenever you click inside any answer, make a point that you click outside one time so that your option doesn't change. So because if you scroll down without clicking, see, I click like this. I'm just moving my mouse and my arrow keys. The option will change. So always check after you click inside the circle, you click outside before you go on to the next question. I repeat, once you select any option, I'm selecting, example, I'm selecting mason. Okay, so what should I do after selecting mason? I should click outside once so that even if I move my screen, my option doesn't change. Okay. So can I move on to the 8th question? Shall I move on to the 8th question? 8th or 9th? 9th. 8th is done. Shall we move on to the 9th question? Yes. 9th question. Find, you have 2 pictures, okay? Find which is a tree image. Which is tree? This one or this one? You have to find which is tree and click inside the circle.
Pictures, ma'am.
Sorry? 3 pictures, yeah, okay. Yes, we have 3 pictures. Okay, we have 3 pictures here. Find out which is a tree. This one, or this one. Whichever is the right answer, click inside that circle. And then always remember to click outside after you are done. Okay, I am just going to click here and then I am clicking outside. So that if I move, the option will not change. And with the 9th one, find out which is a tree. Everybody found out which is a tree picture? Okay, Adya. Good, Gautam. Found out tree. Lakshraj found out tree. Sai Charan found out tree. Okay. Good, even Sai. Last question. As a shape, okay? You're going to tell me if this shape is cube, cuboid, or sphere. You're going to tell me if this dice is cube, cuboid, or sphere. Click on the correct one inside the circle and then click outside. Find out the shape name. This is dice. Find out the shape. The dice is in the shape of a cube, cuboid, or sphere. Whenever I read, keep your fingers there, children, so that you will know which is cube, cuboid. Today I taught you, right? Cube, cuboid, sphere. Click inside the circle and click outside. Before you click submit, I don't want you to click submit now. After you finish all the 10 questions, scroll up to the top. From the beginning, check if you have written your name properly. Check first question. Check if you have chosen the correct alphabet. Correct answer for the alphabet. Check for the second question if you have chosen the correct answer. Third one, look at the zip picture. Check if you have written the right answer here. Fourth one, check if you have chosen the correct number name for 5. Number name for 5. 20, 25, which is greater? Check if you have written the answer here. Either you have marked like this, or like this, whatever you have written. Okay? Check if you have written it right here. And check if you have written capital letter here. Okay? Same thing. Check if you have written the answer here. Correct answer. Find out if you have chosen the correct house name, helper name. Check if you have chosen the correct option for tree, whichever is tree. The last one is correct shape. After you have done everything, check, then submit your answer. After you submit your answer, you will get an option for viewing your score, viewing your mark, okay, out of 10. Okay, after you have viewed their answer, please don't send in WhatsApp, please don't send in our senior KG group. Okay, please send it to the school number. Okay, if you don't know the number, ma'am will give it in the chat now. Okay, please don't send it to the Kids senior KG group where everybody is there. Please send it to the school number, send head ma'am number. Okay, take a screenshot of this mark and just send it. I don't want the question and answers, all those. Okay, just the mark alone with the kid's name. Please send it to that number. See that in the chat, ma'am has given the number. Understood? Anybody found it difficult? Any questions? Thank you, Yuvansa. Yuvansa is clear, it seems. Arav Akshar, who has wrote the exam? Tell me who wrote. Arav or Akshar, or both of them wrote?
It's mommy time. Everything.
Every answer I told.
Every answer I told, ma'am. I got full.
No, I don't want to listen any of your marks. I don't want to know any of your questions. Okay, very good. I know you would have all written it very nice. Okay, so you don't have to share your number in this class session. Okay, very good, children. Give a big round of clap for everybody. Big round of clap for everyone. This is the first time we're taking online tests, right? Very, very good children. You are so nice. You listened to my instruction. None of you muted the call during the call. Very good. The same way I want you to help me for the next 3 days while writing exam. Okay? I want you to sit properly like this. And very, very good children. Very good. Super. Okay. So whatever marks you got, no problem. Just send it to ma'am. Okay? Any questions?
No, ma'am. How we can submit?
What happened, Izan? Give me a minute. Sajiran.
I can submit now.
Yes, you can submit. After you have checked your answers, you can submit it, Ryan.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Check if you have written all that is correctly. You can click on submit and then you will have a view score. Okay, view score, marks. Click that, you will get your marks. Okay. What happened, Izan?
idiot.
What
I
happened?
don't know exam, ma'am.
I can't hear you, Izan. You want to say something? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
No, you good?
I'm on. Bye.
No. Tomorrow, are you ready to rock for the exam? Izan? Yes. Don't sleep tomorrow. Next 3 days, you should not sleep at 2 o'clock. Okay, Izan?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Izan. See you tomorrow for the exam. All the very best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Izan.
Ma'am.
Izan. Tell me, Saicharan.